Lovely people, welcome back to the channel. If today is the first time you are stopping by, my name is Debbie and this is my daughter Adepa. In this channel, we do natural hair things and also protective hairstyle for kids and also cooking. So consider it by subscribing to the channel, like, share, and comment on our videos. Thank you. So in today's video, we are doing a protective hairstyle box braid for Adepa. I saw this box braid on Google and it was so cute and I decided to try it on hair. I don't normally add extensions to her hair, but sometimes once in a while I add it. So here her hair is washed, stretched, cream, and also I start by patting the hair, add my edge control gel. I'm using Shine and Jam to pattern the hair for so that every part will stand out and also be neat. Okay, so this style is so easy and beginner friendly. Okay, so watch it closely and then you are good to go. Practice it more so that you know how to braid for your little ones. So you look at it carefully and step by step. You know, practice man makes man perfect. Okay, so the more you practice, the more you get to know how to do it and do it well. So you look at it carefully and then you will know how to do it. It's so cute and so simple. And this one, I didn't add any beads. I wanted it like that. And she was looking so good. So I'll use this opportunity to thank my subscribers for the support and also my viewers for showing love by subscribing, liking, sharing, and also the comments. Let it keep coming, okay? To grow this channel together with you all. Thank you so much. So with this, I um, I parted the hair a little bit bigger. I didn't want a fuller hair on her. I wanted it to be a little bit simple, cute, not more. Yeah.